Imagine you open your laptop to finish a project, one app to enhance the footage, another to strip the watermark off that AI-generated image, a third to clean up the audio. And then you still have to convert everything before you send it. Every time you jump between tools, you lose a little quality. Every export adds compression. Every re-import costs you time you didn't budget for. Today I'm going to show you one tool that handles all of that. Same quality in, same quality out. No round trips. Without further ado, let's jump into the tutorial. This tool is called Uniconverter by Wondershare. It has been around for 19 years, and in the last couple of versions, they have been adding AI features that are actually worth trying out. I have left a link in the description below so you can download it from the official website. It is available on both Windows and Mac. When you install and open it, the home screen gives you the three main functions right at the top. Below that is a full grid of AI tools, and we are going to work through some of them today. 1. Converter. Let's start with the converter, because if you have ever had to deliver files in a specific format at the last minute, you already know how much of a headache this can be. I have files here in different formats, including MKV, MOV, AVI, and WEBM, but my client needs everything as MP4. Wondershare Uniconverter becomes a big time saver here. I click Add Files and select all the videos at once. The good thing is that it allows batch processing instead of converting one by one, which saves time, and the conversion speed is super fast. I select MP4 as the output format, and from here, I can even convert them at a higher resolution up to 8K, but I will leave it the same as the source for now. You can also change the aspect ratio from the same screen. I always recommend choosing a destination folder so that you know exactly where your converted files are saved. I hit Batch Convert, and they all process at the same time. The entire process only took seconds. If we open the folder where we saved the converted files, you can clearly see that they are all now in MP4 format, and I can now happily send them to my client. The same thing works for images. I have some assets here that I need to use to design an Instagram promotion poster, but when I was looking for files to use from the internet, they came in a format that is not supported by Photoshop. With Wondershare Uniconverter, I can't get stuck. I drag and add these files, select JPG as the output, confirm the destination folder, and convert. If we open the folder and check, you can see that the files are now in JPG format, open in Photoshop with no issues, and I can continue and finish my Instagram post. No uploading to a browser tool, no file size limits, no waiting on a server. The second feature is Video and Image Enhancer. Now this one is a game changer, and if you have ever tried to use poor quality footage in a professional project, you will understand exactly why. This is for everyone working on a project where the image or photo quality is poor and reduces audience attention to detail, or if you want to enhance your video quality up to 4K. This tool is all you need. I have a clip here that was shot a few years ago at a wedding, and you can clearly tell that the quality is poor.
I do.
And if you have been creating AI videos, especially with free tools, you might have noticed that the quality is always poor and mainly generated at 480p. This feature will be your only savior to improve the quality and make it look like it was generated from a premium tool. I drag it straight into the video enhancer. You can also drop multiple files in different formats at once if you are working through a batch. Once it is in, I select the enhancer option. There are different options available, but I recommend Topaz Ultra for sharper and more detailed results. It supports 4K output. This same tool can also work on face enhancement, remove noise from the video, or even help with video color enhancement. With one click, it starts processing, and in a few seconds, the enhanced video is ready in crisp 4K. When we compare it to the original, you can already see the difference in micro details. The good news is that you can use the same tool to enhance your photos, and the steps are exactly the same. I have a still image here with the same problem. It looks soft but a bit unclear and blurry. I add it, select Auto Enhancer, then Detail for better results. I will turn off the face enhancer for now, and activate the image upscaler, and push it up to 8K. This exact feature can also help you fix and restore old photos without losing character details. After upscaling, here is the result. Watch the skin details. Sharp and clear even when you zoom all the way in. Watch the sharpness on the edges. Here is the side-by-side comparison. That is the same clip. Nothing was reshot. Left is original, right is the enhanced version. The difference in texture and clarity is significant. Now, let us look at Image and Video Watermark Remover. If you are a creator or anyone who works on projects, You know how frustrating it is when you spend time looking for the perfect free stock image, and only after you download it, you realize there is a watermark sitting right across it. And most especially when you generate videos using free AI tools, they always come with a watermark baked right in. But that headache is gone because in the next few seconds, I am going to show you how to say bye-bye to that nightmare once and for all. I have this clip I generated with Hailuo, but it has a watermark at the bottom right. I am going to add it here. The tool supports different formats and you can batch process up to 20 videos all at once. The good thing is that you can always preview exactly what you are working with before you do anything. I carefully select the area containing the watermark on the video footage. That is it. With advanced mode selected, I click remove and export. Now, if I open this clip and play it, you see, the watermark is completely gone and there is no blurry spot left around where it was. That is something you will notice with a lot of other tools, and it does not happen here. This tool handles both images and video the same way. Here is an image I downloaded, but it came with a watermark since I do not have a subscription to that platform. I click Add and drop the image in. No matter which format it is, you can upload up to 100 images for batch processing instead of working one image at a time. And here is what makes this tool really impressive. You do not actually need to manually draw a selection around the watermark. It uses artificial intelligence to analyze and detect exactly where the watermark is on its own. Simply select Watermark Auto Detection and hit Run. In a few moments, the process is complete. Look at the final image. The watermark is gone, the image retains its full quality, and there is no blurry section around where the watermark originally was, before on the left, after on the right. Removed perfectly, and the background underneath is fully intact. There is also Noise Remover. This one is quick, but the impact is real. I have a clip of a speech recorded indoors, and there is consistent noise in the background with people talking throughout. You can hear it right here.
In a world changing faster than ever before, technology is no longer just a tool, it is...
I will go ahead and add it, and you can add video files here too. I click Start, and it begins processing. After a few moments later, this is what the original audio sounds like.
In a world changing faster than ever before, technology...
And here is what it sounds like after the noise remover processes
In a
it.
world changing faster than ever before, technology is no longer just a tool, it is becoming a part...
That background noise is completely gone from the same recording. Now let me show you something that I personally use, and if you are a YouTuber, pay close attention because this one is for you. Under the image generation tools, there is a feature that lets you create professional thumbnails in seconds with zero design experience needed. And it is the exact same feature I use daily for my own videos. I drop in my character asset, the image I want included in the thumbnail design. I select thumbnail, then type my prompt, create a clean and modern YouTube thumbnail using the uploaded character, and place him on the right with a shocked expression. Add a title text on the top left, free and unlimited in bold yellow. Below the title, add a visual of a warrior fighting a dragon with a curved arrow pointing to it. Use a dark gradient blue background. I set the aspect ratio to 16:9, push the resolution up to 4K, and hit generate. Here is the output. It understood the prompt and clearly included every single detail I described, and you cannot believe we created that in just seconds. If you have ever needed quick visual variations for a project without going into Photoshop manually, this is exactly what saves you that time. No design skills needed, no money spent hiring a designer. You just describe what you want, and it builds it for you. These are a few tools we looked at today, and we honestly barely scratched the surface. There is a lot more inside the tool that we did not get to. The compressor, the screen recorder, speech to text, the video editor, the AI script writer, and many other tools. If any of those fit your workflow, they are all in the same place. The link to download this software is in the description below. Go ahead, download and install it, then test it out yourself on your own footage. If this video helped you, like it, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.